Hi, I'm Maarten from Smartblinds, and in this video I'm going to explain the possibilities of Smartblinds, smart made-to-measure blinds. After mounting your Smartblinds, you can get to work with installing it, which of course starts with connecting the Smartblinds to the EVAP. You can scan the setup code, which is attached to the cord itself. Via the EVAP, everything will be explained. Choose your desired locations, give your Smartblinds a name in the app, and apply any automatisations right away. Before you start setting up your Smartblinds, it's always a good idea to check if the blinds are fitted properly. Check, for example, if there are any door handles in the way, and don't cut the antennas. Simply follow the steps indicated in the EVAP. Once you finish your installation of the Smartblinds, it will be automatically added to the Apple HomeKit. Are your Smartblinds showing the wrong direction of rotation? It is closed, but within the EVAP it says that it's open. Simply adjust it by pressing the End Program button twice. You can then operate the blind in different ways. Click once on the Smartblinds in the Apple HomeKit app to open or close it. Press and hold the corresponding Smartblinds to adjust it using a slider. Pull the cord once or give Siri a voice command. Now that you've set up your Smartblinds in the Apple HomeKit app, you can get started with automatisations. Note that for this feature you need an Apple HomePod Mini or an Apple 4K TV 4th generation or later. For example, you can determine that your Smartblinds will be opened at a certain time or closed at sunset. In addition to timers, you could also use additional voice commands, such as, "Hey Siri, it's bedtime." The blinds will go down and the lights will go out. Or, "Hey Siri, good morning." The Smartblinds will open and you'll start your day. If you have any problems during your installation, try switching off and on the motor. This is how you do it. Press the program button on the motor and pull the cord twice. You'll see a red light. Repeat this and you'll see a green light. In most cases, this will result in a better connectivity. If you still have any problems, please contact us. We're happy to assist you to make everything to your satisfaction. Hopefully this video has helped you to make your installation of your Smartblinds a little easier.